Success stories of billionaires or successful people will motivate you and will help to build good traits which they have. When we read or listen to the life stories of successful personalities, that will help us to learn how they manage time and overcome the challenges in their lives. Sometimes reading the stories of personality gives us the direction in life we sought. Gautam Adani is one such personality whose success story is very inspiring. The lessons will help us to manage our lives and plan a better future. Gautam Adani, who is Asia's second richest man after Mukesh Ambani, is the chairman of Adani Groups. He was born in Gujarat Jain family. He faced several challenges as they struggled financially. As a child, he exhibited entrepreneurial traits. He always wanted to become a businessman, and when he was in second year of BCom, he decided to drop out of college. From here, his journey starts. As a teen who just dropped out of college, Adani moved to Mumbai with a big dreams with just 100 rupee note in his pocket. There, he secured a job with a diamond broker. He worked there for 2 to 3 years and understood the ins and outs of the business. Later, he decided to set up his own diamond brokerage business. After a year, a new opportunity comes on his way, and also the turning point in his life. In 1981, his elder brother bought a plastic factory in Ahmedabad. He requested Gautam Adani to return home to manage the business. This venture turned out to be Adani's gateway to global trading through PVC imports. PVC is widely used for making plastics. This imports was very well progressed. Economic liberalization in the country proved to be a blessing for him. He took the advantage of the situation and established the Adani Groups. In 1988, he founded Adani Export Limited, and in 1990, Adani Group developed its own port, which is Adani Port and SEZ. Adani Port and SEZ is the largest private port and SEZ company in India. Later, in 1996, Adani Power was established. They began coal trading in 1999. The company diversified and shifted focus towards resources, logistics, and also in energy. Later, Adani Transmission was founded and became one of the largest players in the power transmission sector in India. His journey wasn't easy. He is a self-made billionaire. The inspiring journey of Gautam Adani and Adani Groups is a beacon of focus, determination, and success. The key to success is being constant in learning and using it meaningfully to achieve something big in life. The first lesson is vision. Gautam Adani is usually termed as a visionary man with foresight. He is a visionary. In his early life, he has learned to seize opportunities when it comes. The second lesson is diversification. We always hear this diversification is key to success. From the beginning, Adani focused on diversifying his business as the market changed. From exporting agriculture and power products to power generation and distribution and to oil and gas exploration and so on, he diversified his business in all the sectors. Learning and observing is third lesson. People like Adani have proved that you don't require a big degrees to achieve big in life. Adani never stopped learning. He understood the business by observing. He is a keen observer. The fourth lesson is value. He is known to be a man of strong values. Values are most important quality in human. That will help us to determine what is important to us. The fifth lesson is long-term goal. Shift your focus to long term. He is a man who focuses on long term goals. This helped him to build a strong business and to become one of the most successful industrialists of his generation.